I have a computer and I have a TV, and I'd like to move what I'm seeing on my computer onto my TV. Here's how you do it. So on your main screen, you're going to right click right into the display, and you're going to go into display settings. From here, under the settings section, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to look for multiple displays. Then right here, it says connect to a wireless display. I'm going to click that. Now you're going to see a few options. I've got my Bose headphones. I've got my Sony Puck that I use to listen to music. And when I turn on my TV downstairs in my basement, we'll see right here, it says my 70-inch basement TV. And I'm going to click on that. And just like that, I've got two computer monitors, one being the television. Now they may look the exact same, meaning whatever's on my computer is also on my TV. Now you can make these extended so that you have monitor 1 and monitor 2. I'll show you how to do that right now. Now if you're noticing that the displays are identical, you can change that to have them extend. So what you're going to do is pick a monitor, you're going to right click, you're going to go to display settings. From here, you're going to scroll on down and you're going to see multiple displays. And you have an option here to either duplicate or extend. And if you pick extend, and then you just simply close out. And the result of that is that my television now becomes a second monitor where I can move things from one computer screen to my television screen. If you'd like to disconnect your TV from your computer, it's pretty easy to do. Simply right click, go to display settings. And it's essentially the same as before. Scroll on down until you see multiple displays. And then select this connect to a wireless display. Now you're already connected, so what'll happen is this will come up over here on the right hand side, and you simply click the disconnect button right there. I hope you found this video helpful. Here's another video with some useful tips and tricks.